If you are trying to earn extra income and build wealth instantly for cheaper than a Netflix subscription, you definitely want to join our community. We have over 10 courses included in this community that cover things like Turo, Airbnb, marketing, content creation, running ads, life insurance, credit repair, and many, many more valuable trades that you can start implementing ASAP. The Skool platform is literally changing the way that traditional school is taught for what's right now. With AI and other technology changing our lives as we know it, you have to adjust and adapt for what's going on. That being said, I would join a community that's packed with value just like ours. The community that we created is probably one of the only communities that you will ever need in life to teach you and your family true wealth due to the value that our team brings to the community itself. I personally really never had a lot of guidance or skills to become a future business owner myself. I was taught to go to work and build wealth for somebody else just like everybody else. So I felt like if I could change that path for everyone by building a community to teach them these type of things, that they could be successful in their life. I'll be honest with you, this community is built for entrepreneurs who are going to be active and engaged, sharing skills, tools, knowledge, and trades to pass on to other people, and it's all about positivity. If you are not going to be active and utilize the community to build wealth and learn new skills and engage with other entrepreneurs, then it's probably not going to be for you. But if you are trying to ensure that your family is set up for success and be ahead of everybody else who hasn't taken action, I need you to click the link below. If you do click that link below and you join our community, you will be granted access to a free hard inquiry wipe where we will teach you how to remove all your hard inquiries in less than 72 hours. This can be utilized and leveraged whenever your credit's stacking. So look, don't half step with your credit or learning skills that can change your life. Do yourself and your family a favor and click that link below so that you can join our community.